In this video, I will show you how to remove Google Chrome extensions. To get started, open up a new Google Chrome browser, and once you've done that, if you come up to the top and to the right hand side of the address bar, you're going to see this icon which kind of looks like a jigsaw puzzle piece. This is your extensions icon. Give that a click, that's going to open a window like this, and from here you want to come and click onto manage extensions. Now what it's going to do is take you to your extensions page. So from here you can see all the extensions you've currently got installed on Google Chrome. To remove any of these extensions, all you need to do is simply come and turn the switch off for any extensions you want to disable, or to fully remove them, just simply click the remove button for the extension that you want to remove. On the pop-up window that comes up, click remove, and what that's going to do, it might take you to a screen for the extension, which generally would be like a feedback screen or something like that, but you can just close this down, and if we come back to extensions, you can see that particular extension has now been removed. So that's how to remove Google Chrome extensions. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Google Chrome and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.